For more than a century, daily life has followed a familiar rhythm. Wake up, commute, work 9 to 5, go home. The 9 to 5 job defined the modern world. It shaped families, communities, even entire cities. Rush hour traffic, office towers, lunch breaks at noon, all built around it. But now artificial intelligence is pulling at the seams. From offices to factories, hospitals to studios, machines are taking on tasks that once required people. And as automation spreads, the very idea of a 9 to 5 workday is being questioned. So here's the big question. Will artificial intelligence kill the 9 to 5 job? Or will it twist it into something unrecognizable? And later in this video, I'll share one surprising reason why the 9 to 5 might survive, even if the work itself doesn't. Let's start with what we see right now. AI is best at routine work. Scheduling, data entry, customer service, simple bookkeeping. Anything repetitive is at risk. Because algorithms don't tire, they don't take holidays, and they don't ask for raises. One global study estimated as many as 300 million jobs could be disrupted by automation in the coming years. Not eliminated in a single wave, but steadily reshaped. In offices, scheduling software books meetings, replies to emails, even drafts reports. In factories, robots assemble products faster than humans. In creative fields, tools write ad copy, design logos, even sketch out movie scripts. Piece by piece, the work that filled 9 to 5 hours is shifting. But here's the twist. It isn't all destruction, it's transformation. Because AI doesn't just remove jobs, it creates them. The internet is a perfect example. It destroyed millions of roles, from travel agents to video rental clerks. But it also created whole new industries: app developers, YouTubers, cybersecurity experts. The same pattern is unfolding now. New jobs already emerging include prompt engineers, AI ethicists, algorithm trainers, human reviewers. So the real question isn't, will there be work? It's, what kind of work will remain? Now let's imagine a future without the classic 9 to 5. First, the gig economy grows. Instead of one steady job, people patch together multiple projects. Artificial intelligence provides the support, while humans provide direction. Today, it's Uber drivers and freelancers. Tomorrow, it might be micro-consultants, each powered by AI assistants. Second, hybrid teams become the norm. Small groups of humans plus machines achieve what once took full departments. A marketing team of 3, with AI, could equal the output of 30 people. That cuts staff, but it also boosts efficiency. Third, hours change. If AI handles time-consuming tasks, people might not need 40 hours. Maybe it's 20, maybe 3 days a week. It sounds amazing. But here's the catch. Technology doesn't guarantee freedom. When factories adopted machines in the past, productivity soared. But most companies didn't cut hours. They kept them the same and pocketed the profits. That's why, even with smartphones and cloud computing, millions still grind 9 to 5 today. So, unless society chooses differently, artificial intelligence could repeat the pattern. More profit for businesses, the same hours for workers, or worse, fewer jobs with no safety net. The death of the 9 to 5 isn't automatic. It depends on choices, on politics, on power. Let's get concrete. At IBM, these tools already manage payroll and parts of hiring. That means fewer HR staff. In law firms, AI reviews contracts in hours instead of weeks. That means lawyers can focus on strategy, but firms need fewer juniors. In healthcare, scheduling and diagnosis are partly automated. Doctors spend more time with patients, but clerical roles shrink. So the reality is complicated. It's not jobs gone. It's jobs redefined. But here's the micro hook. What if the 9 to 5 doesn't disappear, but becomes more fragile? Imagine millions of people juggling short-term gigs, no single employer, no benefits, no stability. Work becomes fragmented. That's freedom for some, but insecurity for many. Instead of one predictable job, you get a patchwork life. So what should workers do? Adapt. Don't compete with AI, collaborate with it. A writer who uses AI drafts faster and better. A doctor who combines human judgment with machine scans diagnoses more accurately. A marketer who runs AI experiments reaches audiences faster. The winners won't be the ones who ignore AI. They'll be the ones who learn to wield it. And here's the reveal. Why experts believe the 9 to 5 might not die. Because companies value order. They like schedules. They like control. So even if AI transforms the tasks, employers may still demand people show up 9 to 5. The jobs will be different. But the structure could remain. That's the irony. The 9 to 5 may live on, even after the work that built it disappears. So, what do you think? Will AI kill the 9 to 5 job? Or twist it into something else? Tell me in the comments. And here's the deal. I'll feature the best answers in a future video. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Unlocked, where every week we explore the breakthroughs, the risks, and the future of technology. Because the future isn't coming, it's already here.